Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away to you.
What going again, Unstoppable family? So people, obviously some Jamaicans still not take this whole COVID thing too serious. Because one of the protocols we're in place is that you're supposed to wear your mask as long as you're in public, right? Well, the Jamaica police basically say, yo, if you not take it serious, alright, we will take it serious for you. So, me gonna say thanks to the Jamaica Gleaner for making this video I'm about to show you possible. But the Jamaica police in the streets and them must stop anybody who not have on them mask. And if you don't have your mask in your possession, handcuff and you're gone, you are going to get charged. So people, check out that video here, made possible by Jamaica Gleaner.
Where we are going. Where we are going now. Everybody is gone. Whatever we say, we take it on the right and give it the best. You're going to be charged for breaching of disaster risk management act, sir.
Gleaner, sir. Gleaner. I can show you all of that, sir. Right here, sir.
Let me see it going, sir. Sir, observe me. What on the anchor? Observe me, sir. No. What is this, sir? Where's your mask, sir? Sir, you're going to be arrested and charged for breaching of disaster risk management. Yes, sir. You're not obliged to say anything unless so whatever you say, we take it down in the right and give it something charged.
Just follow them.
I'm not obliged to say anything unless whatever you say, we take it down in the right and give it them. Nothing charged. Breaches of the disaster risk management act. Proceed, sir. Sir, here. Give me a long time. Who's the man? Stop for me, please. Where's the man? Stop asking me not to stop. Come here. Where you are, man? On time. Come in with us. On time. On time.
Where am I trouble?
You coming with us, sir?
Where's the mask? What did you say? But no, you have to do the order to go by the Prime Minister. And once you are traveling in the public place, you must, sir, you must wear your mask. Yes, sir. To you.
Now listen people, me know say it is very uncomfortable for wear the mask there, you know, especially in Jamaica where it's hot. But listen, I prefer to wear the mask and feel a little bit of discomfort more than go out there and put other people at risk or put myself at risk. Alright, so just simply wear the mask, alright? When you're out in public, wear the mask. And you and the police now go have no issues, right? People talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know if you like how the police never deal with the thing in Jamaica. Now on to a totally unrelated topic. People, this video I'm about to show you, boy, may I tell you, you can imagine if you as a landlord rent your property to somebody and then because them now pay you the rent and the whole landlord and tenant relationship now really go too good, you end up having to ask them to leave your premises and then the people them turn around and destroy your property before them left. What you oughta do? Watch the video here.
Like, because I asked you to leave because you did not pay your rent. I asked you to leave my house. I wasn't evicting you. I didn't want to even put an eviction on your record. I just asked you to leave my house and you do this shit? Like, because I asked you to leave my house and you wouldn't leave, talking about, Timmy, you gonna have to take me to court? You do all this though? Like, I ain't never did shit to you, never. I gave your bitch ass a place to live when nobody else would give you a place to live. And you tear my shit up. Ain't no scam, bitch, because ain't no insurance on this gonna come out my pocket, bitch. You gotta have insurance to pull a scam, dumb bitch. Like you did this shit to me because I asked you to pay me my money? I work hard every mother day. I go to work and stay out the way. I don't bother no fucking body. I didn't care if you and your nigga was in this bitch selling drugs, doing whatever you was doing. I didn't give a I told you, long as you keep my house up and pay me my rent, I wasn't gonna with y'all. Ain't no landlord doing that shit. Because I know y'all gotta feed y'all family like I gotta feed mine, bitch. This what the fuck y'all do to people? I swear to God on my mama, bitch, if I see you, I'm going to prison. And that's on my kids. I'll shoot you dead in your fucking face, bitch. I'm mad as I'd kill this bitch if I seen her on my soul, I would. I'm mad. My mother tenants called me and asked me for $2,000 and I give it to him. Like this, I'm not that type of motherfucker. This is up. This bitch bogus. Bro, I'm so mad. I swear to God. On my mama, I'm mad, bro. If I see this bitch, I'd kill this bitch. On my soul, I would. I'd kill this bitch. I'd do anything for people. I work hard for the shit I got so I can feed my kids and leave my kids something. I could be doing any thing out here. I go to work and take care of my kids. I don't go out. I don't do shit. Fuck ass bitch. Man, I'm mad as fuck. This is why people up. I swear to God. This is people up. I'm so mad. They know. Whew. Lord God, I'm so thankful I moved out of Racine, because if I could have got to this bitch while she was doing it, it'd be some flower bringing in. Ooh, man, I would have killed that bitch. I would have beat her and her kids up. I would have killed them all. On my mama, I would have. She had them little ghetto, badass, ugly running around here with a hammer, busting my shit out. Punk ass bitch. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Whew. Lord, keep me. Lord, I need to come down. But I know I gotta start getting this shit up and secure this house. I'm so mad. Look at this bitch.
John was time. I feel it for the man and I know me. That is just wrong on all levels. Watch on the man viewers, start me down in the comment section. Let me know what you would do in a situation like this. Alright? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, please do not forget to subscribe if this is your first time here. Are you not subscribed yet? Hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. Alright? No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.